recording. Okie doke. This is going to be a bummer for whoever's watching this because they're not going to be able to play bingo or win bingo. They're just going to have to do the math. So sorry, guys. Not too sorry. All right, so here we go. First problem I want you to write down, number 1, is I want you to write down x over 45 equals 15 over 25. Now, one way you could solve this problem is you could figure out like 45 divided by what equals 25, or 45 times what equals 25, and do the same thing to the top but backwards. Or you can do something that's pretty simple. Anybody know? What do you think?
You multiply 45 times 15 and then divide by 25.
That's true. So what you're saying is to get rid of the divided by 45, you're going to multiply by 45? That is totally right. But what I'm going to call it today is I'm going to call it cross multiplication. You heard of this before?
Yeah.
Great. So we're cross multiplying, we're butterflying. In your calculator, put in 45 times 15. You said 675?
Yeah.
Okay, and then that equals what? $25x. Okay, now I'm going to draw my line. How do I get x by itself? Divide by 25 on both sides. 27. All right, so which letter is the answer 27? L, like lollipop. Cross that one off. See how we're doing this? Okay. I like to play math bingo because it's a lot more fun than just doing like similar problems over and over again. You feel like you're going to win, which 5 of you will. Number 2. All right, for this one, I'm going to do 140 over 5 equals C over 12. I'm going to cross multiply, and so should you. Make that butterfly. 5 times C is 5C. 140 times 12. 1,600 what? 80. Now what do we do? Divide by 5. 336. Was it which one? I, like iodine? Okay, so we did I and L so far. All right. What shall I do next? I know which one I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one. Okay, let's get a little tougher. X over 9 equals 2x minus 3 over 24. Now, do you remember when Jocelyn just said, well, let's just multiply by this one, and that'll get the x by itself? Do you see how that's not going to work this time? I mean, it would work here. Actually, I could multiply this by 9 and this side by 24, and it would work, but that's what cross multiplication is. So that's why I kind of like the idea of cross multiply, but if you're thinking get rid of those divided by multiplying, that also works. So don't think that's wrong, okay? So this is 24x, and on the other side, what should I write?
9 parentheses.
Yes, smart, Driana. Parentheses, make sure you put those parentheses in there. It's 9 times all of it. Distribute. So this is 24x equals 18x minus 27. Now what should I do?
Plus 27 on both sides.
Oh, I don't think I need to move the 27. Subtract 18 on both sides. Hey, buddy. I got 6x equals negative 27. You guys getting the same thing? Now what? Divide by 6. Negative 4.5.
I'm taking fundamentals of statistics at WSU next semester.
Well, then you are going to kick butt.
Because I have to have it to apparently be a nurse.
I will help you, but you're going to kick. Which one was it?
Fundamentals of
A T. I was asking them. But because I was listening to you when they were talking earlier. What?
Should I do 2 at a time?
2 stats?
Yeah, biometry.
No. 1 at a time. You know why I picked those? Because this class is lit. Woo! You all love me, don't you? Get used to it. Yeah. All right. I'm going to make those jokes. It's the only way I can live. LIT. Nobody can bingo yet, but somebody could bingo on the next round. Let's see if we get one. I'm going to put one up here, and I'm going to let you guys solve it by yourself this time. You need what? Do you? Let me see your sheet. Let me see your sheet.
A Z isn't on there. That's
Oh,
what
a
it said.
Z? Oh, he's so funny.
Oh, needs A.
He's so funny. 7/10 equals M over 14. All right. This time what I want you to do is I want you to try it yourself. Don't look up. Use your calculator. And when you're finished, look up and see if you got the right answer. Does this mean you're not going to be my TA next year or next semester?
No, I still will.
Okay.
Because I'll have it after.
How's this going for you guys? Good? All right. So, anybody bingoing?
No.
Okay. Well, let's keep moving then. I'm going to choose this one. 7 over 4 equals F minus 4 over 8. Somebody raise their hand. Come on, somebody. All right, Adriana, tell me how to do this. Uh-huh. 7 times 8 equals, which is what, 56? Equals, all you.
So you're gonna do 4 parentheses, F minus 4,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's 4F. Negative 20, no, 16.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to leave you alone now. Nice job. Add 16, add 16. What? 60, 72 equals 4F. Where are you going, Justin?
Miss Anderson.
Okay. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 18. Okay. What was it?
R.
R. Like yar. As in a pirate. Or a gur, like a bear. What's a pirate's favorite letter?
R.
No, it's the C. Yeah, it's the C. His favorite letter's the C. The C. All right, just because I'm running out of room, I'm gonna scoot up to this top corner. I'm gonna do problem 6 up here. Anybody got a bingo?
Nada.
Anyone close to a bingo?